Hi. Lexzur Client Portal facilitates collaboration and communication between legal teams and their clients and requesters. To access the client portal, the admin must add you as a client portal user within the main system. You will receive an email invitation to access the portal and log in using your email credentials to set up your password. Once logged in, you can connect with the legal team, submit new requests, and monitor progress on your requested matters or contracts. The first page of the portal is dedicated to raising requests, where you'll find a list of predefined forms set by the legal team. Under each category, you can choose the relevant request type or use the search tab to find your request. For instance, you can start by requesting legal advice. Select the appropriate request type, fill in the required information, and save your request. The fields may vary depending on the request type. Once submitted, the legal team will be notified of the new matter and commence work on it. Upon submitting a request, you'll be directed to the corresponding matter page. Here, you can track the progress of your request, view updates such as workflow status, hearings, and attachments. Communication between the client and legal team can be facilitated through the Notes section, where you can add notes and attach files. The legal team will be notified of your notes and can respond accordingly. The Attachments tab stores all related matter files, allowing you to manage them by adding new files or folders and accessing them as needed. Additionally, clients can request contracts using a questionnaire or upload documents for review. The legal team will be notified of new contract requests and initiate the necessary processes. The Contracts page on the portal enables requesters to track contract details, monitor progress and status changes, communicate through notes and attachments, and track the approval and signature processes. Requesters can easily track all their matter and contract requests from separate pages or grids, use quick filters to search for requests, and export lists to Excel. They can also raise new requests efficiently as needed. For more information about Lexzur, kindly reach out to us at help@lexzur.com. Thank you.